This video will be focusing on extraction of compounds from PubChem library and preparing it for the docking tutorial. If you're watching this video for the first time, please do visit the playlist from the description so that you can do the complete process from installing the Linux subsystem to performing the Autodock using Autodock Vina and its analysis. PubChem is a database of chemical molecules and their activities against biological assays. It is a component of National Library of Medicine, which is a part of the United States National Institute of Health. Let's visit the PubChem website. All the links throughout the videos in the playlist will be mentioned in the description. To perform docking with the protein of interest, let's take an example of a compound which is vitamin K. You can also search for other chemicals like curcumin, quercetin, or any phytochemicals or synthetic compounds. Here, we'll find the complete similar structures or analogs of this vitamin K to find the best compound from the list. Now we can filter the compounds based on its molecular weight and many other characteristics. Here I'm just filtering the compounds in between 344 and 444. Now go to download and mark 3D structure and click on the SDF to download the complete set of vitamin K and its analogs as a single file. Once you open it, you can see around 51 3D structures are included in the single file. Next task is to split all these SDF to individual PDBQT file for Autodock process. Open Ubuntu and go to the folder where the file exists. Once you open the Ubuntu, you will be in the root folder from where you have to come back twice by typing cd space ... and enter. So you have to do it twice. And then you need to open the MNT folder by typing cd space MNT, enter. So this will select the folder MNT. CD is nothing but the change directory short form. And then if you want to go to the next folder, accordingly you can put cd space folder name, enter. Now I'm giving the command to split the single SDF file to 51 compounds in that file. The command will be obabel space hyphen ISDF, that is input SDF, space PubChem compound name dot SDF. So whichever compound you have downloaded, that name should be given after hyphen ISDF. So it will be like obabel space hyphen ISDF space PubChem compound name, or whichever name you have given in that, space hyphen OSDF space hyphen capital O space star dot SDF space hyphen split. Now you can see all components are split into individual SDF files. Now remove the original file that is already split. The next task is to optimize the geometry and minimize energy for the molecules. Type OB minimize and press enter. Here we'll be selecting the force field key and the force field MMFF94. Now let's type OB minimize space hyphen FF space MMFF94 space hyphen N. This is number of times you want it to be minimized. A space 1000 and then the files star dot SDF. So whichever SDF files are there, all will be minimized with energy. Now press enter. It's done in 0.2187 seconds. Now we need to convert all these SDF files to Autodock format file, that is PDBQT. Type obabel space hyphen ISDF space star.sdf for considering all SDF files space hyphen OPDBQT space hyphen capital O star.pdbqt and enter. Now 51 compounds in SDF formats are converted to PDBQT. Now let's sort these files based on the type and move all PDBQT files to the docking folder. Now come back to the previous folder by typing cd space ... and enter. Type ls to see the directory. Now I need the list of these ligands in a single text file for docking purpose. To make that, let's type ls space greater than symbol space ligand.txt and enter. You can see the ligand text file has been formed. This will have every file name, every compound name in the folder. Let's delete everything except the compounds in the PDBQT. You can see the receptor also inside since it was there in the folder. Delete that as well. Now save. Ligand file is also ready for the docking. In the next video, we'll be showing how these proteins and ligands is docked using Autodock Vina, and how its analysis is done using PLIP and Discovery Studio Visualizer. Do subscribe and press bell button if you like the video and to get notified about the upcoming series of videos.